Hello and welcome, design enthusiasts, to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're diving headfirst into the cargo container house. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If you've ever been captivated by the idea of minimalist living, sustainable building practices, or simply a home that stands out from the crowd, then the cargo container house design is a concept you simply must explore. Here at Homes Inspiration Studios, we are constantly seeking out revolutionary approaches to living spaces, and the inherent adaptability of shipping containers offers a truly fascinating canvas for creativity. In this comprehensive video, we're going to unpack everything you need to know about these fascinating dwellings. We'll clarify what exactly a cargo container home entails, delve into the compelling benefits they offer homeowners, provide expert guidance on how to design them to achieve both beauty and functionality, and pinpoint the best elements for creating a striking exterior facade. Get ready to have your perceptions of home design transformed, as we explore how these unassuming steel boxes can become extraordinary residences. Let's get started. At its core, cargo container house design refers to the architectural practice of utilizing steel intermodal shipping containers as the primary structural component for residential buildings. These containers, originally manufactured to transport goods across oceans and continents, are incredibly strong, durable, and designed to withstand extreme conditions. In essence, it's about taking these ready-made, modular units and transforming them into habitable, aesthetically pleasing homes. The design process often involves repurposing one-trip or used containers, ranging typically from 20-foot to 40-foot lengths. These containers are then modified by cutting openings for windows and doors, adding insulation, plumbing, electrical systems, and finishing the interiors and exteriors to meet residential standards and personal preferences. The beauty of this design lies in its inherent modularity. Single containers can form compact living spaces, while multiple containers can be combined in various configurations, stacked, placed side by side, or even cantilevered, to create larger, multi-story, or more complex layouts. The meaning extends beyond mere construction. It embodies principles of repurposing, sustainability, and efficiency. It's a design philosophy that champions creative reuse, often with a focus on minimizing construction waste and sometimes accelerating build times compared to traditional construction. It's about leveraging a readily available, mass-produced product and reimagining its purpose to create unique, often modern, and sometimes off-grid living solutions. This form of architecture challenges conventional housing norms, offering a distinct blend of industrial aesthetic and functional living. The growing popularity of cargo container house designs is underpinned by a compelling array of benefits that appeal to a diverse range of homeowners. Firstly, sustainability and environmental impact are significant draws. By repurposing used shipping containers, you are actively participating in recycling a vast industrial product that might otherwise sit unused or be melted down, which is an energy-intensive process. This reduces the demand for new building materials, minimizes construction waste, and often results in a smaller carbon footprint for the overall build. Secondly, speed of construction is a major advantage. Since the basic structure of the home, the container shell, is already manufactured, a significant portion of the construction timeline is eliminated. Foundations can be prepared while containers are being modified off-site, allowing for faster assembly on location. This can translate into quicker move-in times compared to traditional builds. Thirdly, cost-effectiveness can be a powerful motivator. While the final cost depends heavily on the complexity of the design and the level of finishes, the initial purchase of containers is often significantly less expensive than building a comparable structure from scratch using conventional methods. Reduced labor time for the structural shell also contributes to potential savings, making homeownership more accessible for some. Finally, the unique aesthetic and design versatility are undeniable. Cargo container homes possess a distinct, modern, and often industrial aesthetic that appeals to those looking for something outside the traditional suburban mold. Despite their rigid initial form, they can be configured in countless ways, allowing for striking architectural designs, open concept living spaces, and integrated indoor-outdoor experiences. They offer a canvas for bold design choices, allowing for a truly personalized and eye-catching residence. Designing a cargo container house to be both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional requires a thoughtful approach that embraces its unique form while overcoming its inherent limitations. The first step is to strategically plan your layout. Given the narrow dimensions of standard containers, usually 8 feet wide, smart spatial planning is crucial. Think vertically, using stacking to create multi-story homes, or horizontally, by combining multiple containers side by side or end-to-end to achieve wider rooms. Open concept living areas are often key to making the most of the space. Consider integrating living, dining, and kitchen zones on one level, with private areas like bedrooms on another, or in separate, strategically placed containers. Next, focus on insulation and climate control. This is paramount for comfort and energy efficiency. The steel conducts heat and cold readily, so high-quality insulation, spray foam is often preferred, is essential. Proper ventilation, strategic window placement for cross-breeze, and efficient HVAC systems are critical to maintain a comfortable interior climate. This also prevents condensation issues. Integrating natural light and views will significantly enhance the living experience. Cut out large openings for windows and sliding glass doors. These not only brighten the interior but also break up the monolithic feel of the container walls and connect the home to its surroundings. Consider floor-to-ceiling glass elements or expansive sliding doors that open onto decks or patios. For interior finishes, contrast the industrial exterior with warmth and texture. Wood paneling, exposed wooden beams, natural stone accents, and soft textiles can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Polished concrete floors offer a modern, industrial vibe, while engineered wood or bamboo flooring can add warmth. White or light-colored walls will help a compact space feel larger and brighter. Don't be afraid to leave some steel elements exposed on the interior to celebrate the container's origins, such as a feature wall or ceiling section. Now, let's explore 10 fantastic cargo container house design ideas, focusing on their exterior styles and configurations, to inspire your own dream build. One, cantilevered stack. Create a dramatic, modern look by stacking containers but offsetting the top one to create a cantilever. This generates covered outdoor space below and an open deck above. 2. Glass box integration. Incorporate large, non-container, glass box sections between or at the end of containers. This introduces expansive views and natural light, contrasting beautifully with the solid steel. 3. Wood-clad minimalist. Completely clad the exterior in warm, natural wood siding, e.g., cedar or treated pine, obscuring the corrugated steel and creating a sleek, contemporary, and inviting aesthetic. 4. Industrial chic with exposed steel. Embrace the container's origin by leaving much of the original corrugated steel exposed, but enhance it with bold paint colors, contrasting trim, and large, dark-framed windows for a strong industrial statement. 5. Multi-level terrace home. Stack multiple containers to create a multi-story home, with each level having its own dedicated outdoor terrace or balcony, maximizing outdoor living on a compact footprint. 6. H or L-shaped layout. Arrange containers in an H or L shape around a central courtyard or outdoor living area. This provides privacy, creates interesting circulation, and maximizes connection to the outdoors. 7. Container hybrid with traditional build. Combine containers with sections of traditional stick-built construction. For instance, containers might house bedrooms and bathrooms, while a central, traditionally framed living room provides expansive communal space. 8. Vertical garden facade. Integrate a living wall or vertical garden system on one or more container exteriors. This softens the steel, improves insulation, and adds a stunning, sustainable, and ever-changing aesthetic. 9. Rustic farmhouse container. Blend the container structure with classic farmhouse elements like white metal siding, dark roofing, and a prominent front porch with wood posts and railings. This creates a charming and unexpected fusion. 10. Off-grid self-sufficient design. Design the exterior to incorporate passive solar elements, rainwater harvesting systems, visible tanks or collection points, and integrated solar panels on the roof, making the home a showcase of sustainable living. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey into the world of cargo container house design. From understanding their remarkable meaning and exploring their myriad benefits to mastering the art of designing them to look truly spectacular, we've covered a wide range of insights to inspire your own unique home vision. These homes are more than just a trend. They represent a practical, sustainable, and incredibly versatile approach to modern living, offering a canvas for boundless creativity. Remember, whether you're dreaming of a compact minimalist retreat or an expansive multi-container compound, the principles of smart design, efficient planning, and quality execution are paramount. The beauty of a cargo container home lies in its ability to be both robustly functional and strikingly individual, a true testament to adaptive reuse in architecture. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best cargo container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.